The story of trains begins long ago, before cars or airplanes. In the early 19th century, people mostly traveled by foot, animal, or boat. This made journeys slow and difficult. Then came a revolutionary idea. What if we could use steam engines to power vehicles on tracks? One of the earliest steam locomotives was built by Richard Trevithick in 1804 in England. It was used to haul heavy loads at an ironworks. George Stephenson, another British inventor, is considered the father of railways. In 1825, he built the locomotion number 1, which successfully pulled a train on the Stockton and Darlington Railway. These early trains were unlike the sleek machines we know today. They were powered by burning coal to create steam, which pushed pistons that turned the wheels. These trains were smoky, noisy, and not very fast, but they were a revelation for transportation. Suddenly, people and goods could travel much faster and farther over land. Journeys that once took days or weeks could be completed in a few hours. This was a huge change for people, businesses, and entire countries. Trains transformed the world in many ways. They spurred the growth of industries like mining and manufacturing, as goods could be transported more easily. Cities grew larger as people could live farther from their work. Trains also connected countries and continents like never before. The Transcontinental Railroad in North America, completed in 1869, linked the east and west coasts, opening up new territories and possibilities. The Orient Express, which began running in 1883, connected Paris to Istanbul, making long-distance travel more glamorous and exciting. Today, trains have evolved dramatically. While some still run on diesel, electric trains are becoming increasingly common, offering faster speeds and cleaner energy. High-speed trains like Japan's Shinkansen and France's TGV can travel at hundreds of miles per hour, shrinking distances and connecting cities with incredible efficiency. Trains remain vital for transporting people and goods around the world. They are efficient, relatively affordable, and have a lower environmental impact than many other forms of transportation. The story of the train is a testament to human ingenuity and our desire to connect, explore, and advance. From those first smoky puffs of steam to the sleek, high-speed networks of today, trains have truly changed the world.